Knighthood was started in 1776. It's been going on now for over 220 years. It's played for once a year, so there's only one night made each year.
All the competitors of the club bowling for effectively 7 shots. That means that we have an old penny here of 1776 and a jack. Now the jack is larger than the normal jack you play in bowls, and this was one of the originals. This is then has a flat bottom and is now then placed on the penny. The first competitor to 7 shots wins the knighthood.
Well done, Mike.
First, Mike Rich, 5 3/4 inches. Second, Sid Dobson, 6 7/8.
I say to you, be loyal, be brave, be true.
It won't change my life one little bit. I think I'm down to earth about the whole system. Yes, I will have to buy quite a lot, as you've seen, the top hat and tails for future years.